Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off a TV daily at specific time. So first of all, you need to check whether one option is enabled on your TV or not. For this, go to settings, tap on all settings. Then go to the option general and privacy. Select system manager, tap on time. Here you can see the option off timer, tap on this one. First of all, you need to check whether the off timer is enabled or not. So this means now here you can see this. Now in this TV, I set up the off timer for every day at 8 p.m. That means the TV will turn off every day at 8 p.m. So if you are facing such issues, just disable this option. Then tap on the option setup and select the option off. So simply in this way, we can fix the issue TV turned off daily at a specific time. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.